and about 80 authors and distinguished literary and public persons who are participating, discussing culture, environment, politics, contemporary affairs, management, literature, and history over a period of 3 days. In view of the pressing challenges that we face today because of climate change and poor management of the environment, we have given a particular special focus to environment conservation, as a result of which we have Magsaysay Award winner and fabled water conservation head Rajendra Singh Ji with us, who has already spoken and delivered a very, very solid talk on the importance of water conservation and pricing it correctly. Bharti Chaturvedi.
A special privilege for me, and therefore very thrilling indeed, that this second book of mine is being launched by the Honourable Chief Minister, and that too at the inaugural function of the Bhopal Lit Fest, which has, in a short span of 2 years, grown to be one of the finest lit fests in the country, particularly because of the knowledge element that has come into this festival.
So the book is launched.
एक साल से आदरणीय कमलनाथ जी के नेतृत्व में प्रदेश में सरकार है। मध्य प्रदेश के विकास में बहुत तेजी से हम पायदान दर पायदान चढ़ते जा रहे हैं। उसी के अनुरूप संस्कृति, कला, साहित्य जगत में आदरणीय कमलनाथ जी का बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहता है। उनकी उपस्थिति समय समय पर हमें मिलती रहती है, लेकिन इनके साथ ही साथ उनका हमें प्रेरणा, उनका निर्देशन हमें हमेशा मिलता रहता है। और मुझे हमेशा कहते रहते कि विजय लक्ष्मी संस्कृति और कला के माध्यम में मध्य प्रदेश बहुत रिच है और इसको और आगे हम लोग को ले जाना है। और यहाँ पिछले 15 सालों से जो एक विचारधारा पनपती रही है उसको खत्म करते हुए, क्योंकि मध्य प्रदेश देश का हृदय स्थल है, देश के केंद्र में स्थित है और यहाँ विभिन्न संस्कृतियाँ हैं। बुंदेलखंड, बघेलखंड, महाकोशल, मालवा की संस्कृति, बिली एरिया है, गोंडवाना एरिया है, निमाड़ी की संस्कृति है, महाकोशल का एरिया है। तो विभिन्न संस्कृतियाँ यहाँ पर संरक्षण हो, संवर्धन हो, उनका विकास हो, इस दिशा में हमें काम करना है।
My good friend, old colleague, former Chief Minister of the Union Territory of Chhindwara for 38 years, and Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh for slightly over a year now, Kamalnath Ji, and all other friends of the dais. One book that I will never write will be called How Ministers of State Invent Work for Themselves. Kamalnath was my cabinet minister for 3 years, and for 3 years I invented work for myself. Because he was hyperactive, he was all-knowing, he knew the subject backwards. And therefore it was very difficult to be an MOS when he was cabinet minister. And he had a hyperactive, super intelligent aide in Antony Disa. So the combination of Kamalnath and Antony Disa forced me to discover work for myself. That book I will never write. But he's been an extraordinary friend, he's been a great colleague, and I must tell you that nowadays there's a constitution bench in the Supreme Court dealing with the Land Acquisition Act of 2013, and this Land Acquisition Act would not have been passed had it not been for Mr. Kamalnath, who was Minister for Parliamentary Affairs. And there is one particular...
My cabinet colleague, Mr. Vijay Lakshmi Sadhu, my old friend, who you just heard, Jairam Ramesh, Mr. Raghav Chandra, Anthony Disa, Mr. Rajiv Singh, all distinguished members of the dais, distinguished guests here. I am delighted to be at the Bhopal Literature and Art Festival. I do not know how many politicians and literature go together, but nevertheless I am here. You just heard Jairam Ramesh that he invented work for himself. That's not true. It's me who kept his distance from him because I keep my distance from all who I think are intellectually superior to me. See, he was just being charitable by saying that he kept his distance from me. But I'm delighted to be here. And what better place in India than to have this festival? Central India, Madhya Pradesh, with its glorious traditions, rich history, with its exotic jungles. And what better place than Bhopal? With its heritage, with its history. And what better place than the Bharat Bhavan, the backdrop of Bharat Bhavan. And sitting here, I was thinking that in the future we need to really change, and I've said this many times,